Day 12, let's go. The letter L. I know I've said this plenty of times, but this is also another really pretty letter that I'm looking forward to writing as well. Yeah, so I feel like this one, again, the last few letters have been... Last few letters? No, J was a bit of a struggle, wasn't it? But yesterday's letter and this letter are right in my wheelhouse, so I feel like this one should come to me as easily or easier than some of the other letters that I've done. Once I'm done with this cursive series, I think I'm really gonna try and focus on learning some other fonts. Oh, I'm already like excited thinking about doing that, but this is me all over. I start thinking about the next thing before I finish doing the thing I'm on. So yeah, I'll try keep focus there. Yeah, I'll get through this and then we'll start thinking about other fonts. How exciting. And immediately today, I'm thinking about ending the stroke and not just tailing off. You know what, I mean, obviously I'm using a workbook here, so I've got guidelines. I kind of want to know how I would fare on just a plain piece of paper. So I'll probably do that at the end of this series and see how I fare on just a plain piece of paper without these guidelines. A bit too low there. The curve came too far down the dotted line. again, not too much to say about this this letter, this lowercase letter anyways. We'll see how I get on with the capital L. I started to rush a little bit there, so I'm slowing it down again. That didn't help. Friday night and I'm at home writing letters as it should be. This is definitely my, well, I'll just let that end stroke go there, not good. But anyway, this is definitely my idea of a fun Friday night. Yep, this is me and my idea of fun. I'll let it go there again. Okay, onto this uppercase L. It's a fun stroke, isn't it? Whoops. My mind started wandering there. in a weird way, don't you think this L could pass off as an S? I can kind of see that. Yeah. Okay. I can already say that this doesn't necessarily feel too natural for me, but I think I will get to grips with it relatively quickly. Yeah, that's already feeling a lot more comfortable now that I've done a few. Lost my way there a little bit. Let's just continue. I don't know what I'm rushing for. It's not like I have anywhere else to go this evening. Take my time with this. This could be a little bit bigger, couldn't it? Last one. Voila, the letter L. Enjoyed this one. See you tomorrow for the letter M, and we will be officially halfway through this letter series. Exciting. See you tomorrow.